Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to Monster Techno once again, and this is the fifth part of the video series. And in this part, we will add the Firebase FCM functionality in the application, and we are going to send the message from the Firebase console. And later on, the second part, we will send dynamic message when everyone send a message. Before doing that, we have to add one dependency for FCM to be worked. Add this dependency and sync your project. Now let's create a package. Under this, all the FCM functionalities will be stored. So we have created two Java file which use the Firebase dependencies, and we have to add those in the manifest as in service. And when we get a message, this service will trigger and we get the message information. This Java file will give us the tokens. We have to refresh the token every time when we enter in the app. Let's make two more Java file to make things cleaner and more usable. So one will be our utils files, which store all the models, and another one is our main util file, which will be our notification builder, and everything will be there. This method will trigger whenever we get a message, and from here we have to handle the notifications body, and depending on the body we have to show the things using our model and util. When the pending intent, whenever user click on the message, it will open the main activity, the main thing this pending intent will do. Now let's build the notification builder. Using this notification builder, we will create the notification and set the messages and things. If the user is in Android Oreo and upper version, then they have to get a notification batch in their application. So for that we have to check here either user is in Oreo or not, and if it's in, then we have to show our notification batch. After all, we have to notify the notification manager to show the notification in the status bar. And we need a notification ID. Depending on this notification ID, we can remove the notification from the status bar or do some stuffs with that. Now let's build the application and see either we get the notification from the Firebase console or not. If not, we have to fix the bug, then we will go forward. So our app is up and running and nothing is changed because we done all the notification type of things. So let's create a notification in the console, and this is just a dummy notification. We are just testing that how it's look like. Select the app and it will send directly, no schedule. So it will come to the app. As you see that the message is published. Now we have to wait for the message. Nothing is coming. I think we have done some mistake, so that's why the message is not coming. Okay, so application is crashed in here because we didn't pass any set small icon. So let's add a small icon in the notification builder, and we can directly pass the map folder's IC launcher, which is the default launch, which is a default icon for everything. And now let's run this application again. Now let's duplicate this notification and see if we get any message or not. Okay, we get it. Let's try it once again, and let's open this app side by side, and let's see either it's get the message in when we send that or not. Let's duplicate this message again. Okay, the message is sent. Now we will receive it in a small time. See, we get the message. So thanks for watching this video. Like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe for the next one. And I will meet you in the next video. Bye bye.